Hello guys, today's video we're gonna show you the tool can help you to book a reel onto multiple fan page that you have. So here you can see on screen, this is my tool that I'm using to help me manage and using multiple Facebook account. So first is the account management function. So in this function, you can add and manage a limited Facebook account and fan page that you have. Okay, so to post reel, I will go to posting function, and in here I can choose many options like about schedule post to page, to group, post reel, live stream, story post, or you can see history of post. So I will choose post reel, and in here I will select the account that having the page, choose this, and this is on the page that I currently manage on the account that I have. And after that I will select this page and we'll set up the basic configuration. So first is a breakable time duration. I can set up from 1 to 2 seconds to post the reel. Okay, so in here I will select the video. I will select the video in here. And after having a video, I will press save to save my video. After that, you can choose many options like about handle video after successful upload, or you can choose allow duplicate video posting or comment to the post after successful posting, or you can choose schedule configuration, and you can schedule the time to post the reel. And after everything set up, I press start and let the tool post reel for me. And after posting done, you can go to posting of history, and in here you can see the link of the post that you already post. Okay, so basically I just show you the tool can help you to post reel onto the fan page that you have. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you need this tool or more information, you guys can contact me on Telegram, WhatsApp, and don't forget to like, subscribe my channel to see more video about automation tool.